Hello, today I will be discussing three theories and their main points about them. The very first one being constructivism, the next one being cognitive load theory, and the last one being cognitive theory of multimedia. For constructivism, it expresses that learning is an active, constructive process, basically that learners construct knowledge for themselves, and each learner individually constructs a meaning as they learn. For the cognitive load theory, this relates to the amount of information that the working memory can hold. And with the cognitive load theory, there are three types: extraneous, intrinsic, and germane. Extraneous is the way the information is presented to the learner. Intrinsic is the effort associated with the specific topic, and germane is the work put into creating a permanent store of knowledge. Lastly is the cognitive theory of multimedia, and this one means that people learn more deeply from words and pictures rather than words just by themselves. When it comes to this theory, there are three main assumptions. The first one being there are two separate channels, auditory and visual, for processing information, and each channel has a limited capacity. Lastly, the learner is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information based on prior knowledge. You can find more information about this on these websites that were provided on Canvas. Thank you very much.